Hello, welcome to the demo of managing certificates with Instance Manager. With the NGINX Instance Manager, you can easily add, delete, and update certificates. You can also publish certificates to an instance or instance group with just one click. Now let's proceed through the demo. This is the certificate management interface of NGINX Instance Manager. As you can see on the top, NGINX Instance Manager will provide you the overview of how many total certificates are there, the validity or time of those certificates, which is more than 31 days, how many certificates are going to expire soon, which is less than 30 days, how many certificates are already expired, and how many are unmanaged, which is remote certificate, and how many are managed certificates. As you can see, there are two certificates here. One is remote and managed. Remote or unmanaged certificate is managed by the instance itself. The managed certificate is managed by the NGINX Instance Manager. It is important to note that there's a clear difference between remote and unmanaged certificates when it comes to how they are updated. Allow me to provide further explanation. For that, let's go to the remote certificate first. Here you can see the information about the certificates, how they are managed, the status, which is healthy, going to expire soon, or expired, expiration date, encryption type, and the instances where they're configured or deployed. And also here, if you expand this, you can find the information about the instance itself, like the name of the instance type, the config path. When it comes to remote certificate, you cannot update or upload them using NGINX Instance Manager. Let's go back and let's go to the managed certificates. Here, similar to remote certificates, you can see the information about certificates, how they are managed, status, expiration date, encryption type. But here, you can update them or upload them using NGINX Instance Manager. If you like to upload them, you can select the PM file and upload the PM file and parse. And if you like to update the private key and the certificates, you can update them here by clicking private key in the public certificate and the CA entry. And also, if you like to publish them immediately to all the configured instance or instance group, you can click here. And once that is done, it will be published to instance or instance groups. If you're not ready to proceed with that, it will be remain where it is, and the certificate won't be pushed down by default, and it will be stored until you're ready to move forward. We believe in giving our customers the freedom to choose what they want to do. This was our guiding principle when coming up with this approach. Once you choose that if you want to publish them or not, you can click Save. Now I'm going to show how to assign a certificate to an instance. For that, let's go and click this Assign Certificate button. I'm going to choose Instance and click Next. And I'm going to select API Gateway 0. And here you can modify the certificate file path and the key path as well. And also you can add multiple file and key path if you like to do so. And here you can check mark this if you want to publish the certificate to instance immediately. But if there is no reference file path or configuration in the nginx.com file, even if you click publish, it will not be configured in the instance. So make sure that there's a reference file path in the nginx.com file if you would like to publish the certificate immediately to that instance. For now, I'm going to publish that for this demo and click Assign. Here, you can directly go to that instance, like click the Open Config and under the nginx.com file, and you can reference that certificate file and the key path in the nginx.com file. Now I'm going to uncomment this configuration for key and cert and going to publish them. Now it's successfully published. Let's go back to the certificate and keys. Let's go back to the managed certificate. And now we can see that it has been configured to that instance. Um, and another important feature with NGINX Instance Manager is that you can delete the certificate. But if you accidentally try to delete the certificate, if an instance is already been configured, NGINX Instance Manager will not allow you to delete the certificate. If you want to complete this action, you need to delete that instance or the certificate from that instance, then delete the certificate. So this is another added security feature with NGINX Instance Manager. If you accidentally try to do so, if there's all instance already being configured, it will not allow you to delete the certificate itself. So with NGINX Instance Manager, you can effortlessly identify the certificates that are nearing the expiration date. This way, you can promptly replace them or update them using NGINX Instance Manager, and that guarantees the continuous and secure operation of your service. So this concludes our demo. I hope you liked it. Thank you.